Yeah, good morning class. I hope you're good. Now we are going to be doing mathematics. Our topic is word problems on multiplication. Last week we did multiplication, we did simple multiplications, and we had some solvings done. So this week we are doing word problems on multiplication. Now the first number one question we are going to do is, one dog has 4 legs. One dog has 4 legs. How many legs do 2 dogs have? It's simple. Since one dog, just one dog has 4 legs, then they are asking us how many legs does 2 dogs have. We will say 2 dogs have 2 times 4. 2 times 4. One dog has 4 legs. 4 legs. 2 dogs has 2 times 4. 2 times 4, which will give us 8. So 2 dogs has 8 legs. Hope you understand. Yes, I'm sure you understand it clearly. Now number 2 is, there are 4 wheels on a car. When you go to your daddy or your mommy's car, you will notice that the wheels on the car is 4. In just one car, it's not 8, it's not 10, just one car. We have 4 wheels. Now, how many wheels are there on 4 cars? Since there are 4 wheels on one car, if you want to check how many wheels are on 4 cars, what do? Simple. Since one car has 4 wheels, 4 cars have 4. One car has 4 wheels, right? Now, if they say 4 cars, they should check how many cars, how many wheels 4 cars have. You just say 1 times 4 in that one car, 4 wheels in that one car, times 4 cars. Hope you understand. No, you don't understand. Now let's check it again. We have one car, and in this one car there are 4 wheels in it, and they are asking us to check how many wheels are there in 4 cars. Simple. We do 1 car, 2, 3, 4. Now in this one, the wheels here is 4, the wheels here is 4, the wheels here is 4, the wheels here is 4. What did we say multiplication is? Multiplication is repeated addition. Multiplication is repeated addition. So what we're going to do, we'll just say 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. 4 wheels in one car, multiply by, we'll add it by another 4 and another 4 and another 4, which will give us 4 times 4, and is what? 16. So in 4 cars we have 16 wheels. In 4 cars we have 16 wheels. Now we have our assignment here. One car has 4 legs. How many legs do 9 cars have? Simple, very, very simple. Since one car has 4 legs, you check 9 cars will have how many legs? 9 cars will have how many legs? A triangle has 3 sides. How many sides have 9 triangles? A triangle has 3 sides. How many sides have 9 triangles? A man works 6 days in 1 week. 6 days in 1 week. How many days does he work in 7 weeks? Very simple. A house has 8 windows. 8 houses have dash windows. Just use this format. Use this format. Try solving it this way I solved it, and you'll get your own answer. Thank you so much. Good morning, boys and girls. How are you this morning? I hope you're fine. Today we are going to be doing English language, and our date is 1st of June 2020. It is a new month. Our topic is the past continuous tense. The past continuous tense. First of all, we'll ask ourselves, what is past continuous tense? The past continuous tense is formed with was or were, with the ing. With the ing form of the verb. Look again. The past continuous tense is formed with was or were, was or were. Past continuous tense is formed with either was or were with ing behind the form of the verb. Now example. Okay, before we go into the example, let's take this. It tells us about what happened in the past. Past continuous tense tells us about what happened in the past. It doesn't tell us about the future. It doesn't tell us about the present. Instead, it tells us about the past. And that is why we have was, were, with the ing at the back of the verb. Now we have example. They were playing when the teacher entered. Playing. Remember, play is a verb. What is a verb? A verb is an action or a doing word. And when you see play in a sentence, what is it telling you? A verb. Then we have ing at the back of the verb. And we have were too. We are playing. We have we are playing. It tells us what? About past continuous tense. It tells us that this thing has happened. It's not just happening. This thing was happening. It was happening. That's what's telling us here. They were playing when the teacher entered. Is it they was playing when the teacher entered? No. Is it they are playing when the teacher entered? No. Is they were playing when the teacher entered. We have he was sleeping when the thief broke in. Something happened in the house and maybe your daddy comes back and asks, what was Ade doing when the thief broke in? You say he was sleeping. He was sleeping. He is not still sleeping, and he's not about to sleep. It is something that has happened. He was sleeping when the thief broke in. Was sleeping. Now look at it again. The past continuous tense is formed with was or were with ing. Look at this one. Our sleep is a verb. They said form of the verb. Our sleep is a verb and there is ing at the back of it. So this is past continuous tense. We have she was driving when the engine caught fire. She was driving when the engine caught fire. So where are we going to underline now? We are underlining was driving. Was driving. Drive on its own is a verb. When ing comes at it with our past tense was, it's not she is or she were or she is about to. Is she was driving when the engine caught fire. Now this is our assignment, our homework. We were dash when the visitor arrived. We have it in the bracket. So you write it for us. You write what will be here. The farmer was dash when he saw the bag of gold. What was the farmer doing? You write it here. Phoebe was dashed to school when he fell. We have run in the bracket. So you write it here. You give us the past continuous form of it. Then Sola was dashed when the food was burning. We have sing in the bracket. You give us the past continuous form of it here. Do it and let your parents mark it, snap it and send it back to me. Thank you.